Guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I filmed a get ready with me and kind of like a chit chat video. So if you guys want to see how I got this look and you guys want to hear me talk, then keep on watching. Alright, I'm gonna start by priming my face, and I'm using the Rimmel London Stay Matte Primer. I really like this primer because it's very creamy, and since right now I'm kind of oily to dry skin, I feel like I need more of a moisturizer primer rather than a matte primer. So today I'm going to work on my face first, and then I'm going to move on to the eyes. So I'm going to be mixing the Milani Conceal Imperfect. This is in the color light beige, and then I'm mixing it with the CoverGirl Healthy Elixir, and this one is in the color warm beige. I'm going to put a pump of the Milani and then a little bit of the other one. And I'm just going to bounce it around my face. CJ and I are moving to a new building apartment. We're moving in early February, so we are pretty excited about that. And I hate moving just because, I mean, it's just a pain in the ass to pack everything and to organize everything. But you know, change is always good, and we are really excited just to start fresh at a different place. I'm gonna move on to concealer, and I'm using the Fit Me concealer by Maybelline. So as you guys may or may not know, you do get paid to post videos. Actually, you don't get paid to post videos, you get paid for the amount of views you get in your videos. And I just recently received my first check, which I am so excited. Just the fact that I received a check from something that I just love doing. Like, I honestly do this because I truly love doing makeup, and I just love recording myself and just hanging in my room and, you know, just hanging out with you guys. I enjoy doing that. So the fact that I got paid to do that is just even more amazing. I started YouTube because, like I said, I've always loved entertainment. Like, ever since I was little, like, I used to, you know, dance, sing, and get in front of cameras, and that was just always me, and I've always loved that. As an older person, I obviously cannot sing, so I didn't continue singing, but I did continue dancing, and I've danced for so many years. I have performed in front of many people, and it's just something that I just truly love. And although I do have a career going on besides YouTube, I just love doing this. So I don't know, I'm really excited to see that all the time and effort has paid off. I feel like when you do something like YouTube, you have to do something that you truly love, because the amount of time that you put in filming and editing videos, it's a lot. And honestly, what I got paid, I don't think it's enough for the amount of time that I have put in. But I know eventually, you know, if I just keep, you know, doing what I love and just keep putting work, I know it's gonna pay off. I don't know, it was just exciting to see that paycheck from YouTube. I was like, what? All right, so now I'm gonna take my beauty blender and blend it all out. I'm going to be baking with the Airspun loose powder in the color translucent. I'm going to be bronzing my face a little bit, and I'm using the Amazonic Clay Waterproof Bronzer. This is by Tarte. I like this bronzer a lot because it has a little bit of a shimmer. It's not like a crazy shimmer, but it just has that like glowy, bouncy, I don't know, it just makes your face look more alive. And right now my face is kind of like, I don't know, like I don't have a tan going on, I have nothing going on, so I'm gonna bronze it up with this just so I look a little bit more alive. Now we're just gonna leave the face like that for now, and I'm gonna go ahead and start with my eyes. And I'm gonna take my Too Faced Stardust palette. I'm gonna take this peachy color right here. I'm gonna use that as my transition color. Now I'm gonna take my Too Faced chocolate bar, and I'm gonna take this color right here, peanut butter, and I'm just gonna apply that a little bit under the transition color just to make that a little bit more deep. Now I'm gonna go back to the Stardust palette, and I'm gonna take Girls Night right here, and I'm gonna pack that right in the outer corner and slightly towards the middle. I'm gonna take my blending brush and kind of blend it together. Now I'm gonna be taking this dark chocolate color right here, and I'm just gonna make the outer corner a lot darker than it is, just to give the eye a little bit more dimension. I really want to film a video with CJ. Like, we've been trying to film together, but I feel like we never have time together. Like, when we are together, we just want to like and do nothing and just hang out. But I think we're gonna film this Thursday. Hopefully we have time to film. We do have like a dentist appointment and all this adult stuff. So hopefully we get to film something, but I don't know what to film. Like, I don't know if we should do like, I don't know, I want to do something fun. People have been telling us to film the 1 chip challenge, but no, hell no, I am not filming that. If you haven't watched the Toe of Satan, the lollipop, I was dying. Like, I almost had a heart attack because I could not handle it. So I can just imagine how that would make me feel. Like, no. And not only that, but I heard that those chips, I remember when I first looked it up on Amazon, they were literally like $10, and right now they're like $70 for 1 chip. No, I'd rather buy a palette or a new foundation. Like, that's just ridiculous. That is a lot of money for 1 chip. I'm taking my blending brush and kind of blending everything out. But yeah, if you guys have any ideas or will want us to film anything, let me know in the comments down below, because I really don't have any. So you guys let me know what you guys want to see. Alright, so now I'm gonna take my chocolate bar, and I'm gonna take this color right here. It's called Bonbon, and I'm just gonna pack that in the inner corner. Do you guys see my little chicken nugget in the back? Manly, look. Hi baby, why are you so sleepy? He literally always lays there and just sleeps. Okay, so now I am gonna go ahead and put on some lashes and do a wing liner, and I'm gonna be whitening my teeth all at the same time, so I'm just gonna probably fast forward the whole process. Alright, so now that our lashes and our liner is done, let's move on to the bottom lash. So I'm gonna go ahead and take pretty much the same colors that I use on my top and my eyelid in the bottom. So I'm gonna take the first transition color, this soft peachy color, and I'm gonna apply it under my eye. So bring that as low as you want, just because it's a very soft peachy color. This is gonna help make your other color look a little bit more blended. Now I'm gonna take peanut butter in the Too Faced bar and apply it under that. Now I'm gonna be taking a small brush like this, and I'm gonna take that chocolate brown color and I'm gonna apply it very close to the waterline, so it kind of looks like it's eyeliner, but it's just eyeshadow. This is gonna really define the eye. And now I'm taking my pencil brush again and kind of blend it all out. I'm gonna be applying mascara, and I'm using the L'Oreal Voluminous Original. The eyes are done, so now let's finish the face. For highlighter, I'm gonna go ahead and use the Dose of Colors DesixKaty Mirame. For blush, I'm gonna use my Morphe palette. This is 9B, and I'm gonna take this peachy color right here. I'm gonna be lining my lips with MAC's lip pencil, and this is in the color Whirl. Right on top of that, I'm gonna use the Retro Matte Liquid Lipstick by MAC, and this is in the color Honeybee Good. This is one of my favorite peachy nude colors. I'm gonna take my lip pencil and kind of go over it a little bit. Okay, so now I'm just gonna be setting my face, and I'm using the Prep and Prime Fix Water by MAC. Alright guys, so this is the final look. Thank you guys so much for getting ready with me, and don't forget to leave me some ideas on what kind of videos me and CJ should film. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and I will see you guys in my next one.